Hi everybody, it's Ela, and I am back it's been a long time. Normally I teach watercolor videos. Today I am addressing the fact that a lot of people are not supposed to be going outside. I live in the San Francisco Bay Area. Governor Gavin Newsom has told us that we are supposed to shelter in place, which means we're not supposed to go outside unless we need to buy groceries, unless it's something really, really urgent. So lots of people are stuck indoors, and we're all gonna go crazy. We're gonna go cuckoo. We're gonna watch too much Netflix. We're going to be on Facebook. We're gonna be following all the news. Some of us are gonna be hoarding chocolate and alcohol. Some of us are going to be killing our families. Some of us are going to be trying to work at home at jobs that shouldn't be done at home. And a lot of us are going to be really bored and not knowing what to do with ourselves. So I decided to do a video, maybe a few videos, to offer some alternatives for things to do. So I'm an art teacher. I have nobody to teach right now, so I'm going to teach you. And I thought it would be fun to use things that people have around the house, and this is not for artists. If you are an artist, I hope you will enjoy this, but I hope that if you're not an artist, take a chance. Try this out. This is just about doing something different. Get out of the comfort zone. Do something fun. Get out of the hamster wheel that you're in, stuck in your house. So I have here a dry erase board. Many people own dry erase boards. It doesn't have to be pretty. It doesn't have to be perfectly clean. If it needs to be cleaned up a little bit, use some of that coveted rubbing alcohol that you're afraid to use. Just use a few drops. You don't have to use toilet paper. You can use like any little a makeup pad, cotton ball. Just clean it off, and then you're going to test out and find out, okay, which markers work, and we're just going to play around. We're just going to have fun. We don't have a plan. We're going to doodle, and this is not going to stick around, right? This is a dry erase board. It's meant to be erased later. So we're just going to lighten up. We're going to loosen up. We're just going to have some fun. So I'm going to get the dry erasers, and we're just going to start. I'm lucky I have two colors. We'll see if they work. Your dry erasers, if your markers are old, they might not work either, but that's okay. So, if you can't get it perfectly clean, mine still kind of says art sale in really faded letters. I don't care. The point of this is to have fun. And, if I want, I can even play with the weird marks that are there. Work them into the design. We're just making lines. Make some lines. It could be tiny, it could be big, whatever you want to do. I don't care if you can make some circles. We're just making marks. We don't know what we're doing. We're just having a good time. We're doing something else. Whoop. If your marker's wearing out, maybe it's just a light pink instead of a dark red. It's okay. No one's grading you. We're just making lines. We're not drawing anything in particular. You can copy me. You can do your own damn thing. You do what you want. You could draw a picture of whatever it is that you wish you had most. You can draw cartoons if you want to. You can circle things. There, it's a red egg. If it makes you feel better to give things names, that's okay. Maybe we're playing tic-tac-toe. Right? Who's gonna win? Nobody. Everybody. We're just having a good time. This is doodling. I like doing things everywhere. Repeating shapes. I like to repeat shapes. Have a good time. We're just getting out of our headspace. We're making a mess. I can fill shapes in. Kind of hard to do. What happens happens if I hold it on its side? No, not any better. What happens if I go straight like this versus if I go like this? A lot of making art is actually kind of like crazy mad scientist what if. What if I go like that? I kind of like how that looks. You can layer on top of stuff you've already drawn. Now here's something kind of cool. Once you've filled in an area, if you want to, you can remove it. Oh, look. Oh, that's cool. I'm making polka dots in reverse. Oh, that's cool. A lot of art making is what if? Mad scientist. Oh, we got a new one. It's a creepy eyeball for a monster. He's got a big mouth. This is the mouth. Oh my God, I just figured out. This is a monster. That's what it is. Here's the teeth. Here's an eyeball. The eyeballs are one on top of the other. It's a good time. Crack yourself up. So I think that's going to be it for this time. I hope you try it out. I hope you have some fun too. I'm going to do this again with some other mediums that you might have around the house. If you don't have a dry erase board, it's fine. I'm going to play around with some other stuff and hopefully you can follow along too, or just watch me. It's something different to watch. If you want to watch more formal watercolor videos, you can watch those on my channel as well, but there are a lot more art. Or I don't know, I'm gonna offend people. No, it's not art, it's just, it's more anal. You can tell I've been doing it for a while. But this is fun. Hey, this is art too. Anyone can do this, and yours is gonna be different than mine, and it's gonna be different than anyone else's. Get your kids involved, get anyone else who's in your household, if there is anybody else. If not, if you're all by yourself, then have fun. Don't isolate, have a good time. All right. You can go to my Patreon page if you enjoy this and if you want to support more material like this. Link below. All right, I hope you have fun. Bye-bye.